come a long way from just dumping and burning waste to separate collection, sorting, recycling, up to the circular economy, which sees waste as a resource. One man's waste is another man's gold. That's the ultimate goal of today's handling of resources. In Europe, manufacturing sites produce as much waste as households. Approximately 10% of total waste generation comes from production sites. In the UK, 10 million tons of waste are generated each year by industrial activity. Where does the waste go? Today, I talked with Sally Thomas, head of waste at Leadec, and she's been in the industry for more than 20 years. We are here at a waste yard at an OEM at Wolverhampton. Sally, what is the job of a waste manager?
So a waste manager is somebody that looks for sustainable solutions in waste management, that works with supply chain partners, optimizing loads, concentrates and manages the legal compliance aspects of waste, because that's quite significant in waste management, looking at innovation, optimization for our customers, applying the principles of the waste hierarchy, sustainable solutions, and obviously not just applying the waste hierarchy, but we're moving up the waste hierarchy, look at circular economy principles and applying the carbon footprinting reductions where possible.
What are the trends in the industry? What changes have you seen in your past experience?
It's changed quite dramatically in the last 20 years. At the turn of the century, waste was 90% to landfill and recycling was only 10%. Now we've had a complete reversal. So it's only 10% to landfill and 90% for recycling and recovery. The principles around waste management has changed as well. Now it's about making a quality product, not just about it's rubbish. It doesn't matter. We don't make it. We're making it into a quality product so we can recycle more and optimize that waste stream for further processing. The other things that have changed, that have come on board that we didn't used to have 20 years ago is food waste and anaerobic digestion. Now we're making energy to power homes from our food waste. So it's changed significantly. Legislation has become more and more stringent. Everybody's discussing carbon footprinting and how to reduce our carbon impact on the environment. So a lot more sustainable solutions have come on board, although not quite enough in my opinion.
How does waste management contribute to the circular economy?
Circular economy is based on 3 basic principles. Eliminate waste and pollution, circulate materials and products, and generate nature. The model of production around circular economy is around reusing, recycling, repairing, refurbishing, leasing and sharing. It's not just about make and dispose, which historically waste was about. So Leadec works with its clients around circular economy and identification of the materials to allow recycling and opportunities in circular economy. Data analysis is key. And identification of the waste streams and opportunities is key for our customers. A good example of circular economy really is in wooden pallets. If you've got a broken wooden pallet, the best thing to do is repair it, is not scrap it off, and it's a reusable product.
Everything is being digitalized, also in waste management.
At Leadec, we invested in some software in 2019 for supporting our waste management activities. This is known as Waste and Recycling One, or locally known as WR1. It allows us to be a single source of record, creates all of our paperwork for our legal compliance aspects. And what's unique about the process and the system is that it links the compliance side of waste to the processing of the documentation. So if a supplier, for example, has an expiry on one of their important legal documents, it won't allow us to create an entry into WR1, therefore making the transaction void and the waste cannot leave site. So it's quite a unique process in that way. It allows us to do instant reporting, live reporting, and it's been a good investment for waste.
Sally, what does it take to be a good waste manager?
A good waste manager would be somebody that's passionate, motivated, wants to do the right thing by the environment and improve on sustainability. It's got a good commercial awareness around waste, understands the waste industry and how people operate. Looking at the legal compliance aspect of waste, that's quite a big, significant part of my role. And chemistry, if you've got a good background in chemistry or an understanding of chemistry and how that also is good for waste. I think overall, just somebody that really wants to do right by the environment.
Thank you, Sally. Thank you very much for your time.
Thank you.